Okay, so if you are coming from GCC residents or resident countries, so I'm going to show you how to apply e-visa online step-by-step application. So today I'm going to teach you the full step-by-step on how to apply Oman e-visa application. First, you need to click the link, and then you need to press the login button, and then of course you need to register or create a new account, and make sure that you need to enter your full details, including the email address, because they're going to send you the verify code. And then you need to of course open your Gmail account for the verification code, and then go back to the link for the Oman e-visa application, and press login button and enter your email address, the password, and the code below, and press login. And the second step is you need to press the apply for visa button. Under that, you have to press apply for unsponsored visa. And you need to select the nationality as shown in your passport. And the second one is which GCC country are you coming from? And you need to select it and press next. And the second step is, so next is if you're a husband and if you're going to Oman with your family, you need to choose 29A GCC Resident Visa. But make sure that your passport is valid, or like valid for 6 months, and your visa is 3 months. But if you are a wife and then you're planning to visit Oman with your family, you need to choose 29B GCC Resident Visa. So if you are applying for a single visa, which is the 29A GCC Resident Visas, I will show you the travel document details, the nationality, documents nationality, travel document number, travel document type, issue date, expiry date, and the place of issue. And the applicant details, which is the given name, family name. Just a reminder, when applying in a 29 AGCC resident visa, in the applicant details, make sure that you're going to write the full name that's shown in your visa. Okay, because most of the GCC countries, they are checking your details, especially your full name, as per your visa. So you have to fill everything in that form, and then you have to press the next button. And then, of course, you need to fill the additional information and the applicant details, which is your mother's name and the GCC occupation name, like the profession that what you have as per your visa information, or as per your visa details. And then you press next. So next, you're going to attach all your documents. Maximum, each file should be only maximum 500 KB. So you need to attach your GCC visa, passport copy, photo of the applicant, and the resident card copy. And you have to press next. And then it shows the final form. Read in all your details, and you have to check one by one and make sure that it is correct before pressing or confirming the details. And the final one is you need to pay and tick the box, and then you have to choose the paying option. If you don't have any Oman debit card, you need to click the any other card option, click submit and pay, and press OK. And then billing information will be showing in that application, and then you need to go back to the home page